many cars going by. I'm rushing my little bottom off to this San Gimignano trip because I was late. So that's always fun. Not actually uncommon in the activities of Jack Koenig. Yeah, I think I've got about 15 minutes to make it and 20 minutes to go, so let's see what happens. For a bit, we are going to a lovely little town called San Gimignano or something like that, thermal baths and all, and then we're off to Siena tomorrow, so it should be a good weekend. There she is. I don't know if you can see her, but she actually just arrived, so I feel way better about myself. I mean, they're like 10 minutes away. There she is.
So we are in San Gimignano and we're taking a tour of the town and then we're going to the thermal baths. So it's gonna be a fun day.
I already did this intro on my own, okay?
Oh, so you're probably hearing all this again. This is Heidi, Francesca, Haley, and Maggie! So what'd you get?
I got like white wine and then Italian garden, which is just everything.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing much. We're just sitting on a park bench in the middle of Tuscany somewhere waiting for our bus to Siena to get here. Pretty crazy. So beautiful. This is a very, very local spot.
Super local. We're outnumbered.
Yeah. It's pretty amazing. A bunch of children are playing soccer over there and there's a
The
little girl
spa
behind me.
Where's my finger? It's there. That's the spa right
What?
there.
Oh yeah, so that's
It
the
was
spa
pretty
where we
good.
just came from.
Pretty
It
relaxing.
was really good.
A little smelly,
Yeah, it smelled like sulfur,
which Jack did not have a good time with.
but it was really nice. We got paninis when we got there and we had like 4 hours to chill, but Jack and I got away with leaving a little early to go to
Yep.
Siena, and we're gonna get there and check into our Airbnb and then go get some nice dinner, so I'm excited. Okay, so little recap of the past few hours. We made it to Siena. We grabbed some wine while we waited for the owner of our Airbnb to get here. He let us into our Airbnb and Jack took a shower. We headed off to this restaurant. Got to the restaurant, had to come back at 9. Walked back to our Airbnb. Jack realized his debit card information had been stolen from an ATM in Florence, so we had to work all that out. Made it back to the restaurant at 9. Had one of the most incredible meals ever. It was so good. It was called San Giuseppe, something San Giuseppe. It'll be right here. I love doing that because then you can just edit it in. But so I couldn't decide between these two pastas and I was really torn, and so I asked our waiter which one he recommended, and so he told me which one he recommended and I was like, okay, I'll get that one. But then when he brings our food out, he actually brought me 2 small portions of both pastas that I was deciding between, and it was like amazing because I had the best of both worlds.
He was just being like an incredible bloke. and he was
And he winked
like,
at Jack too.
Yeah, he winked at me.
He was like, he knew he was helping a man out.
Welcome, dude. And I was like,
So,
thanks, brother.
really
He's
good
like,
experience.
"Alright."
If you're ever in Siena, like 100%, you should
Yeah.
go here, but make reservations.
Absolutely, make
Yes.
reservations.
So we're at the Museo dell'Opera. Jack and I bought this. It's an €8 pass, and it includes like 5 different things. I'm really pumped.
Whoa, someone's happy. Did someone just have pizza?
Yes.
Happy girl?
And I'm about to go see a rotting saint head, but that's not why I'm doing it. I'm happy because it's actually warm outside. I
It
don't
is
feel
warm.
like my nose is gonna fall off.
Exactly. As soon as the wind picks up, it'll be a different story, but that's fine.
Jack just bought a hat! Show him, babe! Oh my
What's
god.
up, everybody?
She's so cute. I love it so much. Come here, let's see. Yes.
What is this, babe?
I don't know, but it's covered in sugar, so I'm guessing it's good. Oh my god.
That looks like a face of bliss to me.
It's like really undercooked dough, like fried, coated in like lemon and sugar.
Oh. So much.
So we've been walking in the freezing cold for way too long. Yeah, so we got some cute little glass teacups full of tea at this gelateria. Probably gonna get some gelato after. We're pretty dead. I'm ready to be back and forth. Siena's nice. It's just, it's very cold and windy and my face is about to fall off. We're almost back to Florence. I'm so tired.
I can feel like the leftovers of frozen face.
Can you feel that?
What?
Can you feel like my jaw slightly feels like just after frozen?
Yeah. I'm still falling out.
Yeah.
I'm excited to climb into bed and like hopefully sleep in tomorrow. I've been waking up at like 7:30 unintentionally all week last week, so I'm hoping that it's different.
Yeah.
But we'll see. I
To
don't hate it because I like the mornings, but thanks for watching this vlog. Catch you on the
Sienna
flip
was awesome.
side. Yes,
Same
it was.
was awesome.
San Gimano
Jamaica.
and Sienna.
Had a
Good
lovely
weekend.
time. You know, have a nice
Travel is exhausting. Yes, drive up is hard. I love it.